New numbers from Tesla show its annual EV sales declined for the first time in more than a decade. Tesla's fourth quarter deliveries fell short of expectation, prompting stock prices to dip a little bit lower. So let's go live to CBS News MoneyWarch correspondent Kelly O'Grady. Kelly, 2025, Elon Musk has to be looking at these numbers and thinking twice about maybe what he's doing.
Well, I know investors are. Like you said, I mean, the stock is down. It's down close to 7%. I just checked it seconds ago. And this is after the stock hit a record high in December. It gained over 63% in 2024. So this was kind of sobering news for investors looking at the future going into 2025. So just for context, we were expecting a quarterly number of about 505,000 deliveries. It came in very short at 496,000. And what this tells you is Tesla is really struggling against its Chinese EV competitors. I mean, that market, China, is very important for Tesla sales. The Chinese EV makers, they have figured out how to make efficient, low-cost cars. And even with massive discounts in the fourth quarter, Tesla was not able to pull out the numbers that it was expecting. So, okay, we have seen this happen with Tesla before, and then they've rebounded. But Reed, we were talking about this in the break. I think what investors will start to see if this becomes a trend is Elon Musk potentially focused elsewhere on some of his other companies and, of course, his position within the government and his influence that he might potentially have on the Trump administration. So that's definitely something to watch if those sales numbers continue to drop.
Right. He'll be not only watching the numbers, but investors' reaction to those numbers. While we have you, Kelly, I have to ask about iPhone users. Some users taking legal action. Tell us what that's all about.
Yes, so there was a proposed class action suit that Apple has come out and decided to settle for $95 million. And the allegation was that Siri, your voice assistant on your iPhone, was secretly recording conversations of users. And in fact, I was reading the legal complaint, and there were a couple of folks saying, I was talking about Nike shoes. I was talking about Olive Garden. All of a sudden, I would open my phone, and shortly after, I would get ads on different social media platforms for those particular things. We've all done it, right? You've said something and then you've gone, wait, I feel like I was just talking about that. Now, Apple has not confirmed any wrongdoing. They've just decided to settle the suit. Just for some context, $95 million might be big for you and me, Reed. I know it's big for me. For Apple, that is less than 0.1% of what they actually make in revenue. So it's not a big number.
If only to be in that tax bracket. Kelly O'Grady, nice to talk to you. And hey, Siri, if you're listening to me, stop it. Stop recording if you are. Nice to have you with us.